What up, you guys? It's your boy Cam, and today I'm gonna be doing a Stitch Fit try-on haul, man. So, got my package right here from Stitch Fit, hot off the press. I'm gonna give you guys my reaction to these clothing that they sent me, and I'm gonna try them on for you guys. But if you want to know a little bit about Stitch Fit, it's a styling subscription company. Of course, you will be introduced to your very own personal stylist that will hook you up with some nice clothes, determine what kind of brands you like, this and that. Of course, you got to give them your height, weight, you know what I'm saying, your measurements, things like that, so they can know how to perfectly fit you. This actually is a shirt that I got from Stitch Fit. This is the last subscription that I got, and this is my first time trying it on for you guys. So this is just a nice little simple sky blue t-shirt. I got one actually like this from another Stitch Fit. It's like burgundy, but this is like a sky blue, and I like it. It's very comfortable. So this is another Stitch Fit clothing that I love, so I'm trying it on for you guys for the very first time, and tell me what you think. I think I like it. Nice little casual shirt, things like that, something you can throw on with the buttons, and I'm gonna see what they sent me in these packages. So if you're ready, go ahead and get into this video. All right, let's go. So, seeing what they sent me from Stitch Fit, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Of course, they got it all packaged nice and neat like that. Looks like I don't have any shorts or pants in this Stitch Fit package this time around. Look like it's just all shirts. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the shirts one by one, give you my opinion of what I think, you know, see if they kind of got my styles together, and I'm gonna try it on for you guys. All right, so first shirt. Okay, nice little, you know, button-up shirt with little flowers on there. It's pretty cool. Long sleeve, things like that. Kind of like my style, you know, something you can probably wear on like date night, or wear on the weekends, or just wear on a casual day, you know what I'm saying? You can still pull this off and pretty much wear it all year. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on for you guys and see how it is. All right, so this is the first item right here. All right, item number 2 coming up. Okay, looks like we got a sweater. Okay, nice little thick sweater, you know, kind of got a little bit of weight to it, a little bit of weight, you know. Farlane and Sons. Okay, nice little brand, Farlane and Sons. I never heard of that, but the material of the shirt is nice. And it's, you know what I'm saying, it's just plain, nothing on it, just a plain blue navy blue sweater. So I'm gonna try that on for you guys. All right, this is something different. What is this? Okay, this is nice. Green. I like the collar. I like the collar to this. And of course, it got buttons right here. Little collar sweater right here. Got the little flap right there, so you can wear it down, or you can also wear it up. So that's nice. You know what I'm saying? Nice little style of a sweater. It's green. Pretty cool. Look like it got some little hints of white in it, as you can tell. And I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for you guys too. Cool, I like it. Y'all, let me know in the comments if you like these clothing that I got from Stitch Fit. Okay, what is this? All right, this little another button-up shirt. This look like it got some weight to it. It's blue, which I think long sleeve. You know, I know it's still winter, but you know, it's not quite hot just yet. Of course, I'm in the Midwest, you know what I'm saying, Kansas City. You know, big ups to the Chiefs, Super Bowl champions, man. So I'm in the Midwest, so we kind of got a cold winter here. So it's not too bad though, not too bad. But yeah, something I can pull off. But this right here, this shirt got a little weight to it. I'm gonna put it on for you guys. I like the design in the inside, as you can see, little red stripe in the inside. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Try this on for you guys here. And last but not least, look like I got a t-shirt. Of course, my favorite color is gray, so I like this. Something you can just throw on and go, you know. Nice little t-shirt you can wear up under a button-up shirt, or you just wear it by itself, simple. So I kind of like this shirt. All right, now that I'm done talking, you know, they did pretty good. I think my stylist kind of, you know what I'm saying, did his thing, but I'm gonna see which one fits me better, fits my, you know what I'm saying, my overall body shape, and we're gonna go from there. All right, let's go ahead and try it on for you guys. Alright guys, so I'm back trying on all these fabulous clothes from Stitch Fit. Looks like my stylist is Ellen. Ellen, thank you for these awesome clothes. You guys in the comment section, let me know. Was y'all feeling this one? The first one I tried on, button up, you know, little floral design. I got a sweater here. Number 2. Pretty cool. Got some weight to it, but it's still at the same time comfortable. This green sweater right here. Little design on the neck. Pretty cool right there. Little hint of white in it. Got another button up shirt here. It's okay, you know, I might not get everything. I might just get a few, but what you guys think? And of course, I love this t-shirt. V-neck, just throw on and go. You know, fit my body structure pretty good. So, this is all for my Stitch Fit unboxing and try on. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. At the end of the day, life is what you make it. So why not make it awesome? Peace! I'm out!